Hey, Paul here from All In with our NEXUS plate. This product is one component in our NEXUS system, which has revolutionized the way you attach your optics or other gear to virtually any mount. With a magnetic quick release design, the NEXUS system makes connecting and swapping between optics and other gear a breeze. The NEXUS plate is what connects to your gear, such as a spotting scope, set of binoculars, or camera. It is the connecting or branch piece of the NEXUS system and connects seamlessly to any mounted NEXUS base. In the NEXUS plate box, you can pull open the front panel and you'll see the NEXUS plate itself. Pull out the inner tray and you'll immediately see the warning for strong magnets and the NEXUS plate itself. The magnets used in the NEXUS system for both the base and the plate are very strong. Bringing any two parts in the NEXUS system close together can cause them to suddenly snap together because of those strong magnetic fields. The best practice is to handle only one piece of the NEXUS system at a time, either a base or plate, and move to install each component to a mount or piece of gear immediately after removing it from the box. The NEXUS plate sits tight in the EVA foam cutout. After pulling it out, you'll see some of its key features, including the durable and hardened anodized finish, the embossed centering ring, which matches the raised ring of the NEXUS base for guaranteed positioning, the twist engaging L grooves, which provide a mechanical locking mechanism with all NEXUS bases in addition to the magnetic clamping force, and the rubber All-In logo surface for non-slip installation. Back to the inner tray, peel back the warning cover and you'll see a bag with two screws, a short and a long, as well as a hex tool. You'll use these to install the NEXUS plate onto your gear. To install the NEXUS plate on your gear, you can utilize either of the two included screws to thread into a standard 1/4 inch by 20 threaded port. Insert the screw through the NEXUS plate, position it in place on your gear, and hold your gear in line with the NEXUS plate as you securely tighten the screw with the included hex tool. The rubber surface will help keep your gear in place and from slipping on the NEXUS plate. Once the NEXUS plate is installed on your gear, you won't need to worry about meticulously lining up your gear with your mount. Within the NEXUS system ecosystem, any piece of gear with the NEXUS plate installed will be compatible with any mounted NEXUS base. Through the engineered magnetic array, the NEXUS plate will always snap to the NEXUS base and self-align to the proper position. The process of using the NEXUS system is as simple as a snap, twist, and lock. First, place the gear at the NEXUS plate perpendicular to the NEXUS base and let the magnetic array auto-center and snap the plate onto the base. Twist the gear with the NEXUS plate into position parallel to the NEXUS base. The L channels and L grooves engage to create a mechanical secure connection. The NEXUS base trigger will snap into the NEXUS plate and hold it in position, not allowing the NEXUS plate to move. The process of disengaging the NEXUS system is the same process but in reverse. Press the NEXUS base trigger to release the NEXUS plate. Rotate the gear with the NEXUS plate to a perpendicular orientation to the NEXUS base, and then peel the gear with the NEXUS plate from the NEXUS base and separate. When you're on the move or not using the NEXUS system for some time, check out our NEXUS silicone covers for an added layer of protection and our NEXUS cleaning multi-tool to maintain and keep your NEXUS system in pristine condition. Thanks for watching this how-to video for the NEXUS plate. If you have any questions or want to learn more about All-In products, check out our other resources, including additional how-to videos, the FAQ page on our website, or reach out to our customer success team by sending an email to support@allin.co. Follow us on Instagram and YouTube, and join the fastest growing community of those who have gone all in. You can sign up for our newsletter for updates on events, sales, new products, giveaways, and competitions for the chance to win amazing gear and experiences. And remember, move with all your heart right now and go all in.